Stepping into a home design with philosophy revolved around achieving a casual yet sophisticated aesthetic, blending rustic farmhouse charm with modern elegance. Eleanor Cummings is a highly regarded interior designer based in Houston, Texas, known for creating elegant and timeless spaces. For this home project, the design philosophy revolved around achieving a casual yet sophisticated aesthetic, blending rustic farmhouse charm with modern elegance. The dining room, though intimate in scale, feels expansive due to light and airy elements, including raw oak flooring laid in multiple directions and a soft, floral wallpaper. The decor and design of this home showcase a thoughtful use of materials and textures. For instance, the kitchen features an unconventional steel hood custom designed by Ryan Street Architects, complemented by black and white marble backsplash and countertops. These elements contrast beautifully with thick reclaimed bluestone counters sourced from Belgium and gnarled, reclaimed beams, which firmly root the space in true farmhouse style. In the living areas, custom large sectionals covered in plush fabrics invite relaxation, while unique pieces like a wood and steel chandelier from Lucca Antiques add distinctive character. Plaster walls are juxtaposed against reclaimed wood beams, adding warmth and texture. Throughout the home, an understated color palette allows rustic elements to take center stage. Sitting areas are layered with plush textures, such as Moroccan rugs and wool throws, contributing to a cozy ambience. Antiques, often discovered on buying trips to places like Paris flea markets in Belgium, are thoughtfully integrated, like a mirror above a fireplace or a chandelier with wooden candle sleeves, adding a sense of history and uniqueness to the newly built home. The clients desired an open-concept home that felt both cozy and authentic. To accomplish this, the design team, including lead designer Megan Phillips, focused on a harmonious balance of soft, comfortable elements and crisp modern touches. Cummings' approach often involves a careful curation of both new and antique pieces to create spaces that feel collected and tell a story, rather than appearing like a showroom. This is evident in the Houston Oaks residence, where a blend of custom-designed elements and timeless antique finds creates a uniquely characterful and inviting home.